This pot was one of last year's garden pill that I had at home on my back deck, and I took all the compost out and I riddled it through, and that's what's left of the compost after it's been through that top riddle there. And in the bottom of here I've put about an inch or so of manure. It's partially rotted manure, horse manure on straw, and I'm now going to put that back on there and plant my gladiolus. So let's get cracking on that. So that's about the depth I'll be putting them in, and I think it's enough to keep the stems upright with a bit more support. I know this isn't the standard method of planting gladiolas, but it's the way I do it, and it's worked for me for a few years. So let's crack on. Right, they've just been stored in that bag, which was inside another bag in my garage at home, so it's frost free. I've not pulled the bottom of last year's bulb off, corm off I should say, but I have on those three here, and these are the old corms there, so I'll be pulling these off as I go. There we go, that's all I've got. Just this one little pot for my gladiolas. I'll fill that to the top now and just leave it in the polytunnel until they start to shoot, and the detritus that's left will just go in the compost. I don't know if you can see, but there's some baby corms scattered around. Just thrown them in as well, and they'll possibly grow on as well, so maybe even get to flowering stage in a couple of years, who knows. Anyway, crack on. And that's it, today's little job finished. I'm sure I'll get something out of it, so leave it at that.